Hey guys, afternoon. It's about 12:55 p.m. and I've come to the market for some errands. There was a mixie that was not working for a while, and I got that fixed, and so that is fixed. And I came to pick that up. Since morning, I woke up. I had good sleep last night, thankfully, and like after like about 3-4 days, I slept for decent 8 hours 15 minutes, like without any interruption. So I'm really happy that I am well slept this morning, right? Last night I'm well slept. So every time that happens, I feel proud of myself because there's a schedule that I've done, and I'm trying to maintain to have good sleep, right? And that's essentially not having coffee late, getting really tired by the end of the day, and having a light and early dinner. So those are the three things I'm doing to kind of like have decent sleep. So I had a decent sleep last night. I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's a good thing to kind of say I'm happy with this, I'm not happy with this. That's the whole point of this vlog, right? How to be happy and trying to be happy. And when you guys watch this, I want you to also think about your happiness. That this makes you happy, this doesn't make you happy, right? Because that's the whole point of life, to do things and to try to reach a point where we can do more and more things that make us happy, right? So I'm happy with the sleep. I'm also happy with the breakfast this morning. So I had my dinner because the gastroenterologist I follow, Dr. Sethi, tells that you should have a break of 12 to 14 hours between last night's dinner and this morning's breakfast. So last night I had my dinner at 8:40. I had barbecued chicken wings, and this morning I had breakfast at 10:40. So about 14 hours, exactly 14 hours. Exactly 14 hours break, and I had half sattu ka paratha because it is really heavy. My Masi made it. She's been here for the last 1 week, and so it was really heavy. I couldn't have the whole paratha, but I had my regular breakfast supplements with it: chia seeds, amla, lasan, and flax seeds also. Right, so I'm having some really healthy stuff right in the morning. So now I'm in the market, and this is the market. This is Kutub Plaza Market in phase 1, and I'm here for some work. And after that, I'm also supposed to have a haircut. My hair grows very fast, so I try to get a haircut like I have to get a haircut like once every 15-20 days. So last haircut was on 18th of May. So it's been 20 days. So today is 8th. So it's been 20 days since the last haircut. So I'll hopefully get a haircut today. And anyway, it's very hot. So I'll hopefully get a haircut today. Yeah, those are the things I'm doing right now. I have planned gym in the evening. My gym marathon I'll most likely do on Tuesdays because I can't do it on Mondays because I usually tired from the weekend on Mondays. So Mondays I have to keep light, right? Because I have 2 shows on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I have to keep Mondays a little lighter physically. So I'll do my gym marathon most likely tomorrow. So but today I'll do some gym and some self-workout gym. I'll see what to do in the gym, and I will dance. So that's the plan for the gym, and there's a shoot tonight, one show tonight. That's the plan for the evening. So also need to plan some more spots at other comedy clubs this week, which I'll also send the request for. There are administrative stuff which is not happy stuff, which I don't want to talk about, like menial pointless stuff which I have to do with life. So those I have to do, which I'll do, right? But I don't want to talk about that shit on the vlog. So I hope you're feeling happy. Always remember Amar. There's a guy called Amar in the world, and he wants you to be happy. All right. Hey, let's go a haircut. It's like a 20-day thing now because my hair grows really fast, and I need to keep them spiked and short from the sides and short from the back. And they grow very fast because I eat amla every day, right? So I think it's the amla that contributes to my hair growing very fast. So last haircut was on 18th of May. Today is 8th of June. So I've now not tracked my life as minutely as I've been tracking lately. I don't know what else I need to measure, but my health I'm tracking very minutely. Like my steps, my food, my haircuts, I'm tracking shit, man. Like it is right that you can't grow what you can't measure, right? So I'm trying to measure everything. Alright guys, it's show time. I'm here for the show, and the show is at it's 9:34. The show got confirmed late. but it's on now, and I'm waiting for the audience. There are, I think, 5 tickets online, and I'm in the green room now, and there's some music playing here. I don't know what the fuck is this music, but the show will happen. So I'm here for the show. I'll have some salad for the dinner, and I'm tired because Mondays are usually, it's supposed to be relaxing, but I still manage to tire myself out here. बर्बादियों का सोग मनाना फजूल था. बर्बादियों का सोग मनाना फजूल था. मनाना फजूल था. मनाना फजूल था. बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया. Hey guys, time for the day review. I had a good day, and I'm pretty happy with the day. And why did I have a good day? Because somehow I've hit 20,000 steps. I am about to hit 20,000 steps right now, and I did not even plan to hit. It just somehow happened organically, right? I just walked a lot. I mean, I did the dance class. Obviously, that contributes about 4,500 steps. But about 15,500 steps I just organically did. I just walked too much. So this is a good start of the week in terms of fitness. I also did some crunches in the gym before the dance class. Then during the day I went out and did some errands which I had to do some work which is pending from the weekend. I'm trying to close a bunch of errands so that I can focus on shit that I really want to focus on, my work. There's obviously administrative stuff which is ongoing, which I don't talk about on the vlog, but that's not happy stuff, right? So, and not worth talking about on the vlog. So otherwise, I had a show. The show happened tonight. It was like very likely it'll get cancelled, but it happened. So I did decent 15 minutes or so, and there were like 2 couples who were both arranged marriage couples. So that's a bit weird. But why the fuck are people getting an arranged marriage in 2026? But fine. So the show went well. I'm happy about that. The show happened. So largely overall good day. Okay. So good night. Bye.